how to download voice message on Instagram. So if you want to download voice message on Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application and then go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon. And after that, scroll down, go with the account center and go with your information and permissions, and then tap on download your information. And here you need to go with download and transfer information, and then choose your Instagram, tap on next, and tap on some of your information. Scroll down and then find the messages section. If you have audio messages, then you can simply select audio messages, but if you don't have that option, then you can simply go with messages, which are right here. Tap on next and tap on download to device if you want to download it to your device, or you can transfer to your other destination. So I'll just simply choose download to device, and then you can choose the date range. You can choose last week, last month, 3 months, 6 months, last year, 3 years, or all time, or you will also have the custom option. So I'll just simply go with last week, tap on save, and then you can choose the notification email, the format, media quality, and everything, and then tap on create files. Once you tap on create files, it might take a few minutes or a few hours, and after that you will receive a notification that your files are ready to download, and you'll be able to download those files, and you will have all of your voice messages right there. So that's how you can download voice message on Instagram, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.